Hello everyone. So today I have come up with another tarot card reading and the topic is hidden enemies and protection. So abhi holistic chal raha hai which is on up to which will end on 3rd of March. Before that we are asked to take care of ourselves and be in a very protective circle. So I will be reading three cards on which way we should take care of ourselves. So let's go. So I have picked up three cards. First one is this Page of Wands. Second one is reversed Ace of Pentacles, and the third one is this Five of Wands. So now let's see what meaning this each and every card holds for you. So hidden enemies immature energy के फॉर्म में है आपके साथ. गॉसिप नजर या जो लोग आपका प्रोग्रेस बिल्कुल भी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पा रहा है वो देखकर दे आर फीलिंग वेरी मच इनसिक्योर. डायरेक्ट हार्म वो लोग आपको नहीं करेगी बट आपको नजर लग सकती है. आपका जो अगला प्लान्स होगा, अगला मूव्स होगा, आपका अचीवमेंट जो भी होगा, प्लीज डू नॉट शेयर इट विथ front of everyone, because when you will keep it locked, the more the lesser it will get harmed. The second is this the Ace of Pentacles. This card is suggesting that negative energy is trying to slow down your progress in your life. Energy somewhere, something is getting blocked in your life and you are not being able to move further. So at this time, do more grounding, love the plants, love the trees surrounding you. Use salt water whenever you are going to take a shower, and whenever you feel that you can't control your anger, your negative thoughts, then use salt water to wash your hands, wash your feet. So do as much as of cleansing, it will be very beneficial to you right at this moment. And the next card is Five of Wands. It's suggesting a very strong and powerful message, so listen to it carefully. This is the strongest hidden enemy card. यहाँ पे ये एनर्जी दिखा रहा है कि somewhere someone is competing with you but in a very secret way. They are not letting you know but they are doing it. Maybe it's trying to disturb or distract your energy a lot. So solution is avoid as much as arguments, because सबको रिस्पॉन्ड करना जरूरी नहीं है. अपनी एनर्जी को शील्ड रखो एंड स्पिरिचुअली बी स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो ओवरऑल मैसेज फ्रॉम दिस थ्री कार्ड्स व्हाट वी हैव इज हिडन एनिमीज आर वेरी मच एक्टिव बट नॉट पावरफुल देन यू. Nazar, jealousy, and competition, these are around you right now. But you have the best protection right now, which will be grounding yourself more. Just stay away from unnecessary noises that are impacting your life, impacting your energy right now. That's it. That was the message for your hidden enemies and unseen negative things that might try to disturb you. And they are always around us. We do not know, we do not try to realize this thing. But when we will be spiritually active more, these things are nothing. I'm seriously telling you. These are just pinch of our fingers, which we can make them disappear only when you make your shield, your aura strong. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.